Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up Telegram. And then in here, just go ahead over to settings. Now go and find data and storage. Tap on it. And then just tap on data usage. Okay, tap on it. And here, just go and scroll down. Try to reset these statistics. Reset. Go back. Tap on storage usage. Tap on it. And then just basically tap on clear cache. Clear cache. All right. Once that's done, go back. Go back to chats and try to download and check if it helps. If that still won't work, close all of your apps. Go ahead over to settings. Okay. And just find the network section under connections, maybe. Right here under more connection settings. Just tap on it. Now under private DNS, go ahead and tap on it. And instead of automatic, change this one to private DNS provider hostname. Okay, just use dns.google and tap on save. And after that, go ahead and check your Telegram. Download the things that you wanted to download and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. That is how you fix slow download speeds in Telegram. And by the way, if your internet is generally slow, well, that might be the problem. Check other apps. Try to download other video, photos, or whatever online. And just check if your internet is a problem. If yes, well, you'll have to wait until it gets back to normal. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.